I'm James McCrae, CEO and co-founder. Welcome to JanusVR, the world within the web. So the internet and virtual reality share strongly parallel timelines, and the time for the internet in VR is now. We have a vision where VR experiences are as ubiquitous as the web pages of today. We envision any web page as a three-dimensional space, and the hyperlink as a portal or doorway that allows you to transition between spaces. So we currently have the only deployed collaborative, immersive, VR-ready internet browser, and we provide an open standard for people to author and share all their VR content. Hey there, I'm standing in a website. You don't believe me? Well, here's the HTML. So what this example is illustrating is that all web content, from the past, present, or future, exists and is merged together into JanusVR. We're blurring this line between our physical and digital realities. So we come from a reputed research lab that's been around for over 50 years. We've been building this ground-up immersive web technology for the past 3 years. And we have this growing grassroots community of over 80,000 users. So we're a team of about a dozen employees and contractors, and we have titles ranging from PhD to professor to Oscar winner to internet guru. So in 2016, the earlier days of the company, we labeled ourselves the collaborative VR-enabled browser, and we worked on desktop exclusively since then. And since then, in 2017, we realized what we need to do is create a suite of technology that addresses this intersection space of the internet and VR. So to survey that really quickly, we have a native desktop client, JanusVR. It offers a premium VR experience on desktop, but we also have web.janusvr, which is browser-based and supports WebVR. We have server software that's open source and provides a social foundation for VR experiences. We have language support that includes an extended HTML and JavaScript, and a number of authoring tools. So people who are used to traditional CAD modeling like Blender, 3ds Max, Maya, or even game engines like Unity and Unreal can export their content into a language that our clients work with. And that content can be hosted anywhere on the web, including Vesta.JanusVR, which is our own company's hosting service. Just a little bit more detail on the clients themselves. JanusVR, the native client, has support for physically based rendering, real-time physics, spatialized audio, scriptable user interface, and site translators. Our web.janusvr client is complementary and is frictionless, requiring no download, works in the browser, and it gives us a very wide reach to a very wide audience. And we can leverage existing social networks and have experiences that even appear in social media feeds. There's a wide variety of content out there already on JanusVR that spans a diverse range of applications. One of which was this live-streamed rock concert in VR, a collaborative experience, which was the first of its kind, and that was back in January of 2015. Since then, artists have been using digital acquisition to actually take, via Google Tango or Matterport, 3D assets from live venues and mashing these together and creating these really interesting artistic spaces. One recent example, about a month ago at the DNA Lounge in San Francisco, was this hacker-themed night, this event called Cyberdelia, where we explored this interplay between the physical and the virtual, allowing people to share a multi-user experience. So in short, we have over 5,000 JanusVR authored spaces that we're aware of. We have an active community of hundreds of active developers creating on this platform, and we've had over 80,000 users to date from over 134 countries, and these numbers continue to grow. I'll leave you with a glimpse of the software and experiences. So that's JanusVR. We're actively seeking partners for technology, content, and business, as well as raising our next round of venture funding. Thank you very much for your attention, and if you'd like to try the demo, please, we're just over there. Thank you.